Hi, this is Alan Chan, and I am the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on the Unity, Photoshop, and a bit of GameMaker idea, but with the proper typing word keyboard, and unlike the Unity and the Unreal Engine that does something different with the typing keyboard instead. But I saved this towards the end, but I haven't tried it out yet. But I have already tested it and tried this out already. Um, so my first YouTube tutorial video is to save as Uniscene file properly. Um, so I'll tell you how to save it properly is new instead of add, and always work on your desktop workspace. Project. What you're supposed to do is copy and paste it. Um, and name it as Project 2. That's simple as that. Because you're not supposed to save as the scene file. Well, this is sample scene. Well, if you, I'll tell you what example what it looks like is like this one. It reload it because you have been using this at the same time before a sample scene right now. I'll try to tell you why I add a bit more zero on front, just in case it looks a bit improper or something. So it's basically supposed to add up, like to save up as a backup. And if you back up like too many of them, it looks ugly inside your asset scenes folder. Asset scene folder. So if you back up even more, and then back up even more. Like it may be a bit too much after 100 version, and after 1000. I'm just trying to show you why I added zero before, but I think the Microsoft AI has solved this problem already. Yeah, and after add a two of instead. Um, yeah, because the Microsoft newer AI automatically order by the number orders from least to greatest. But before this could have be as a string order that this could have raised down here. Instead, meanwhile the 10,000 is greater than 2,000. That's what it used to be, but I think the Microsoft AI have improved it. Same thing down here. It's not the about all about the Unity. Let's refresh it and sort by name exceeding, and yeah, see, um, it looks like it matches all of the orders properly, but the bad thing is that if you name too many same scene, like the start scene or ending scene or playing game playing scene, it looks starting to look ugly. So click back down to the first one and delete the rest of them. Um, Make sure it's gone properly down here, and just exit everything, I guess, and then save this, exit it. Well, you can copy this and paste it down here as you like without replacing this. I think the Microsoft have improved this as well. Instead of you have to replace it almost last time, I think yeah. But before I have to end up creating a new folder. and then after like paste it down here instead, which is another way of pasting it without naming this copy down here. But the main important thing is just save us Unity file as this version instead, because it'd be a mess if you have too many save scene as to back up like this one. But beside, if your whole folder breakdown, especially the Unity project folder, not new, because it's not new anymore. Select folder. This is before project without the copy. Before the old Microsoft, when you copy it and paste on the same folder with the same name, because of the same name, then you have to copy and paste it. But now the new update just doesn't automatically say copy instead. So so if you save as too many of this project scene, it might does not save your backup because of this build settings. And player settings, if this thing corrupted, it should be randomly worse enough that your whole folder corrupted unless you have this folder back up instead. So I suggest you to always save as file properly, uni scene file properly by doing copy and pasting the whole entire time. Meanwhile, you kind of need to click the right scene or something, and then build settings. Oh, not build settings. Don't use save as or every single time unless you want to save as like something like this one. Start. Well, you also see have different versions in down here because you always want to keep the same. And then after maybe start, and then after gameplay, something like those. Instead of instead of having so many versions of them, that's what you mostly want to name it. Instead of having this second version, so this maybe delete this one. Yeah, and delete maybe this one. It doesn't make sense. My name is a scene. Just name whatever you need to play one scene only. Don't just name a different version unless you need to have different rooms with different environments in this gameplay. Like don't like yeah, just copy and paste it on your desktop or working space, or maybe down here as a file, um, working file. Yeah, and basically that is it. So this is how to save as Unity scene file properly, just to back up your own Unity properly. Even much more better about copying and pasting it instead of really saving as down here. Because it should be per room, not like as a whole entire seems like folder instead project. Yeah, so thank you.